Oh, what a beautiful day. And as I am on my walk this morning, I stopped to watch these smart birds sitting high up in the tree, securing themselves away from the roaring sound of the early morning school bus. There it goes down the way. And I stopped to think, why is nature so kind? Interestingly, in every way implies the trees with the limbs combined with fruits and flowers all on time. The wind that passes through carries the chilling draft in view. With whispering sounds it gustingly blows, bouncing the leaves in discord cue. Why is nature so kind? To us with benefits surplus, so reliable to the moving wind that keeps us visually in trust. The grass convinces with all its worth, steered low and compact to cover the earth. After the long nightly dews had fallen, the wind spreads the smiling pollen. Why is nature so kind? To the forest plains and the desert sublime, adequately supplies across the global shrine, preserving the birds, insects, and the beast in time. With all its sophistications, in gratitude, appreciation, and salutation, one thing for sure, with its unwavering treats, nature is on time, in fulfillment, and is complete. What a wonderful blessing! Nature at its best, all prepared, and in a beautiful way, ready to serve us. God is so good that He gives us all, everything in nature to satisfy our needs, satisfy our wants, and make us so happy. Why is nature so kind? Yes, with all its sophistications, in gratitude, appreciation, and salutation, we say nature is very, very kind to us indeed.